I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make TradingView full screen on your laptop. This easy guide will help you maximize your chart view, hide unnecessary interface elements, and create a distraction-free trading environment. We will cover simple keyboard shortcuts and additional steps to optimize your screen space. Get ready to enhance your chart analysis with a clear, expansive display, making your trading experience much more focused and efficient. Let's dive right in. To quickly go full screen, simply press the Alt key and the F key simultaneously if you are using a Windows laptop. For those on a Mac operating system, the combination is Option and F. This powerful shortcut instantly expands your chart to fill the entire display, removing browser elements and giving you an immediate, unobstructed view of the market. It is a fast and efficient way to focus on your analysis. Beyond the keyboard shortcut, you can further optimize your view by manually hiding various panels. Click the small arrow icon on the left to collapse the Drawing Tools panel. Similarly, close the watch list and data window on the right side to gain even more horizontal space. Do not forget to hide the bottom panel, which includes the stock screener and strategy tester, for a truly expansive and focused chart display. Utilizing full screen mode offers several significant advantages for your trading. You gain a much clearer and more expansive view of price action, allowing for better pattern recognition and trend identification. This reduction in visual clutter minimizes potential distractions, helping you maintain focus. Ultimately, seeing more data points at once can significantly improve your technical analysis and decision-making process, leading to a more effective trading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.